Okay, no matter what this is about to say, in 2023, what I'm going to do, no! Unemployed, I was about to blow up your business. Specifically, if you're an interior designer, interior stylist, if you're starting as a hobby or a passion. So yeah, maybe you're unemployed because you finally get to quit that and pursue your passion of decorating. And let me tell you how. I have created a shopping service called Design Broker, and the way it benefits interior stylists or decorators or new interior designers is I have accounts at all the places that interior designers shop, and you get the designer discount. So one, you could offer this to all of your clients so they now have access to every place. Two, you could pass on the savings to your client so that you could either charge more for your time and less for the furniture, or you could mark up the furniture if that's your business model. And so what the Design Broker service gives to you is another tool in your toolkit to better service your clients. So follow for more and sign up for our newsletter if you want to learn more about how you can work with Design Broker and become unemployed to pursue your passion.